Good morning, students. Today we will have to solve our exercise 11.1 triangle and its properties. And yesterday I told all of you about some properties and also say all of you that you have to learn triangles and its properties on the basis of sides and on the basis of angles. And also I have told all of you that on the basis of sides triangle are of three types. Okay, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. Scalene triangle, a triangle having three sides of different lengths is called scalene triangles. And also what is isosceles triangle? A triangle having two sides equal length is called isosceles triangle. And equilateral triangle is such a triangle in which trio sides of triangle is same. Okay, and on the basis of angles, also triangle are of three types: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. What is acute angle triangle? Such a triangle in which no angle of the triangle is equal to 90 degree. Or we can say define as this types that a triangle in which the trio angle of the triangle is less than 90 degree. And what is right angle triangle? Right angle triangle is such a triangle in which one angle of the triangle is 90 degree. And what is obtuse angle triangle? So obtuse angle triangle, such a triangle in which one angle is more than or greater than 90 degree and other two is remaining is equal to 90 or less than as such type of angles. So this type of triangle is known as obtuse angle triangle. Okay, and again now we have to solve our exercise 11.1 in which we have to classify the given triangles on the basis of both sides and angles. First of all of you have given in the book many figures, and in which figures you have to identify, you have to recognize that what the figure is, on what base we have to nominize these triangles. You have given that here, figure A. In problem first part A, given that a figure in which trio sides of the triangle is given that 5 cm. Okay, here 5 cm and this is also 5 cm. This is also 5 cm. That means to say the trio sides of the triangle is equal. Okay, so we nominalize this A, B and C. So this type of triangle is known as equilateral triangle, because in equilateral triangle our trio sides of the triangle is this side and this side and this side also same. So this type of triangle is known as equilateral triangle. And again we have to analyze such a type of triangle. Here you have given that a figure this type of figure in which you have given that this sides of the triangle is around 6.22 centimeter and also this is 6.2 centimeter. This side is equal to this side and this side is not equal to these two sides. This side is different in this triangle. This is given that 5 centimeter and here A, B and this is C. So this type of triangle is known as isosceles triangle, because you know by definition that isosceles triangles and isosceles triangles, two of the sides of the triangle is equal and one of the sides is different from these two sides. Okay, again in C figures, here you have given that here this type of figure. Okay, in this figure you can see that this is given that this side 4 centimeter A and also this is B, and also this is C. Here this given that 5 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter. Okay. So this triangle is known as scalene triangles, because in scalene triangle no sides of the triangle is same. Okay. And in this figure also this given that P Q R in first figure, and in second figure you have given that this M, and this is the O vertex, and also this is N vertex. Okay. So this triangle is scalene triangle, and this is a 90 degree angle given that here. Again in figure D, you have given that this type of figure in which this name X Y Z. This is a XYZ triangle in which Z is equal to 90 degree given that, and also this XZ is equal to 8 centimeter and XY is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. And from here YZ is equal to 6 centimeter. You have given a figure E. In this triangle you can see that none of the sides of this triangle is same. So this type of triangle is known as scalene triangle. Okay. And again in figure E you have given that also this type of figure given that, and this is 120 angle V W and this U. Okay. This is 6 centimeters, and the length of this side is equal to 3 centimeter given that, and the length of this side is equal to given that 8 centimeter. Okay. Also in this triangle you can see that no other side is same. So this is also scalene triangle, and on the basis of angle this is right angle triangle, and this is also right angle triangle. And in this triangle you can see that one of the angle of this triangle is 120 degree, that is more than 90 degree. So this type of triangle is known as on the basis of angle obtuse angle triangle. Okay. And on the basis of sides you can see that this triangle is scalene triangle, because no other side of the angle of the triangle is same. Okay. Again such a figure given that part F you have given that here this type of figure. Okay. In which this is 12 centimeter given that, and also this given that 5 centimeter, and this is given that 13 centimeter. Okay. Name of this triangle A, B and F. You have given that here. And this angle AFB is equal to 90 degree given that here. So this on the basis of angle this is known as right angle triangle, and on the basis of sides you can see that no other side of the triangle is same. So this triangle is an scalene triangle. Okay. Again we erase this and we have to solve our next problem of this exercise. Question number B. Question number 2. Here you have given that name the types of the following triangles. First of all, you have given that here part A. So in part A, triangle ABC with sides 8 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Here you have given that triangle ABC and name the types of the triangle. This triangle, we suppose that this is the triangle ABC. Such this type of figure ABC in which with sides 8 cm, 7 cm, 6 cm. This is 8 cm, this is 7 cm, and this is 6 cm sides. And on the basis of sides, we have to define name of the triangles. So, also this type of triangle is known as scalene triangle. This triangle is scalene triangle because you can see in this triangle no other sides of the triangle is same. Again, you have given that here. Problem number C. Second, problem number C, part number C. In part number C, you have given the triangle XYZ, and in which with XY is equal to YZ is equals to XZ. Triangle XYZ, in which you have given that this is X, this is Y, and this is Z, and in which XY is equal to XZ is equal to YZ. You have given that here. XY is equal to YZ, XY is equal to YZ, and also XZ, and it also is equal to YZ. XY is equal to YZ, XY is equal to YZ, and YZ is equal to also XZ. So in this type of triangle, the two sides of the triangle is same. So this type of triangle is known as equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Okay. So this type of triangle is known as equilateral triangle. Again, we have to define a figure number D. In figure number D, given that triangle PQR with angle P is equal to 120 degree. With angle P is equal to 120 degree. So first of all, we draw here 120 degree. And again, given that Q is equal to R, this type of figure, here angle Q is equal to angle R, and also we nominate this type of triangle P Q R, in which angle P